Hey there, friends. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, buckle up because today we're diving deep into the world of income, specifically the two big players, active versus passive income. Now, I know what you're thinking. Income is income, right? Well, not exactly. There's a big difference between the two, and understanding it could change the way you approach your financial future. And trust me, I'm not here to confuse you. We'll break it down, add a little humor along the way, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to tell the difference between active and passive income like a pro. But before we dive in, do me a quick favor. If you like what you hear today, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on more tips and tricks to improve your financial life. And hey, if you know someone who's working hard for their money, share this video. Maybe it'll help them start making money work harder for them. All right, let's get into the nitty-gritty of active income first. Active income is exactly what it sounds like. You are working for the money. Think of it like your classic 9-to-5 job where you show up, work, and get paid for the hours you put in. It's straightforward. You're the engine running the car, and if you stop working, guess what? The money stops too. So if you're clocking in every day doing your thing, whether it's as a teacher, a dentist, or even a YouTuber, yep, we count too, folks. This is your bread and butter. Active income is tied to your time and effort, plain and simple. And while this might be the most common form of income for many people, it's also one that limits you. The more hours you work, the more you earn, but you can only work so much before you hit burnout. You can't exactly clone yourself unless you're some kind of wizard, so there's a ceiling on how much active income you can bring in. Now, I know what you're thinking, but what if I work overtime, right, or take on a side hustle? Absolutely, these are great ways to increase your active income. However, remember, you're still trading time for money, which brings us back to that ceiling I just mentioned. Let's break it down with some examples of active income jobs. Hourly workers. Whether it's retail, fast food, or being a barista at your favorite coffee shop. Salaried employees. A 9-to-5 job like a project manager or software engineer. Freelancers or contractors, working as a freelance writer, graphic designer, or consultant. All of these examples come down to the same thing. You're exchanging time for dollars. And in many ways, that's great. We all need active income to pay the bills and live comfortably. But as your career progresses, you might realize, hey, I want more. I want something sustainable. Now, let's talk about the magic of passive income. This is where the fun begins. Passive income is all about earning money while you sleep, eat pizza, or binge watch your favorite Netflix show. Yeah, you heard me right, earning while not actively working. How? Well, let's break it down. Think of passive income like planting a tree. At first, you need to do some hard work. Water it, care for it, give it sunlight. But once that tree is fully grown, it starts to bear fruit, and you don't have to do much to keep it going. You just pick the fruit over and over again. Okay, but what does that actually look like in the real world? Some common passive income streams include rental income from real estate properties, dividend payments from stocks or mutual funds, royalties from books, music, or intellectual property, affiliate marketing or income from online businesses. That's right, some people literally make money in their sleep. Interest from investments or peer-to-peer lending. Now here's the kicker. Once you've set up these passive income streams, they can keep bringing in money without requiring a ton of effort. Sure, there may be some maintenance involved, like managing a rental property or rebalancing your portfolio, but the money is rolling in, regardless of whether you're at work, on vacation, or enjoying a much-needed nap. Now, I'm not saying passive income is all rainbows and unicorns. There is a catch. You have to build it first. You can't expect to wake up tomorrow and have a cash cow sitting in your living room. But once you put in the work up front, the rewards can keep flowing long term. All right, let's compare these two side by side and see how they stack up. Active income. You're trading time for money. The more time you put in, the more you earn, but there's a cap to it. Passive income. You're putting in initial effort, but once that's done, the income keeps coming with little to no active involvement. This is scalable, meaning you can keep adding new streams of income without much added work. Here's the big takeaway. Active income is great to start with. It's the lifeblood of many of us in our careers, but it's limited. Passive income, on the other hand, can give you more freedom, more time, and can help build long-term wealth. But it requires initial effort and risk. You'll need to do your homework to figure out what works best for you. So now the big question, which one should you choose? Well, the truth is there's no one-size-fits-all answer. You don't have to choose one or the other. In fact, the best strategy is usually to combine both. Think of it like this: you're working hard at your active income job, building your savings, and maybe getting into some investments that will generate passive income down the road. The beauty is that over time, the balance can shift. Your passive income can grow to the point where it supports your lifestyle and eventually takes over from your active income, leading to more freedom and flexibility. If you're just starting out and want more control over your time, I'd suggest you focus on building passive income streams. Start small, maybe try rental properties, a side business, or investing in dividend-paying stocks. The key is to scale over time and stay consistent. Active income is great, but at some point we all want to escape the grind. Let passive income help you do that. Plus, who doesn't want to wake up to money in their bank account without lifting a finger? So, now that you're an expert on active versus passive income, it's time to start planning your next steps. Remember, don't feel like you need to choose one or the other. Build your active income first, then use that to create passive income streams that work for you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on more videos like this. And if you know someone who's grinding away at their 9-to-5, share this video with them. Maybe it'll inspire them to make their money work smarter, not harder. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, keep working hard and working smart.